Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the keyboard issue on the Surface Go 1824 after installing Windows. Let's start. Hey, are you still spending your money at repair shops? Join Device Doctor and learn how to fix your laptop and desktop yourself and enjoy the savings. As you can see, the keyboard on this laptop isn't working. This issue happened to me after installing a new version of Windows. I watched a lot of YouTube videos to fix it, but unfortunately, none of them worked. However, while disconnecting the keyboard and screen, I noticed something interesting and a bit funny. I realized that this keyboard connects via Bluetooth. That's why the problem was so easy to fix. Watch the rest of the video to see how it's done. For this fix, you'll need an external keyboard, connected to the laptop using a Type-C to USB adapter. Now go to the search bar, type Bluetooth, and open it. Now press and hold the keyboard's power button for about 5 to 8 seconds to turn it on. Now, search for the keyboard in Windows Bluetooth settings and connect it. Now the keyboard is connected to the laptop. To activate it, you need to pair the keyboard with Bluetooth one more time. When Windows Bluetooth is searching, press and hold the power button again to activate the keyboard's Bluetooth discoverable mode. You can see that the keyboard is now visible in the Bluetooth search. Now, we connect it to Windows, and as you can see, the keyboard works perfectly without any issues. Many of you may not know that your Microsoft Surface keyboard is Bluetooth enabled, which can cause the issue of it not working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more support. Goodbye.